Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time, if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 308 points, that is 0.40%, and settled at 77,301 points. Nifty 50 is up by 92 points, that is 0.39%, and settled at 23,557 points. Bank Nifty is up by 438 points, that is 0.88%, and settled at 50,440 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 264 points, that is 0.48%, and settled at 55,490 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 194 points, that is 1.08%, and settled at 18,238 points. Paras Defence and Space Technologies Limited has seen its shares rallying 20% in today's session, 56% in 5 sessions and 74% in the past 1 month, surpassing its 2021 peak in the process. The defense company recently attended a virtual investor conference hosted by Nirmal Bang Institutional Equities, which was in the form of group meeting. The company was represented by Amit Mahajan, Director, Technical and R&D, and Shilpa Mahajan, Whole-time Director. Among the key takeaways, as per Nirmal Bang, was the management guidance of an absolute revenue of 330 crore rupees in FY25. The company expects its order book to be twice of its sales in the next few years, with a visibility period of 18 months. As of 28 May, the company had orders worth 600 crore rupees. The company expects an order book of 2,500 crore rupees by FY28 end, which will be 60% of the total contracts rolled out. Piramal Finance, the financial services arm of Piramal Enterprises Limited, announced on 17 June that it had surpassed the milestone of 50,000 crore rupees in assets under management of retail loans. Retail loans have grown 132% since March 2022. As per the statement, mortgages remain the dominant part of Piramal Finance's portfolio, accounting for 68% of the overall retail assets under management, with a 38% year-on-year increase in financial year 24. The housing loan portfolio disbursed an average of 800 crore rupees per month in financial year 24, with an average ticket size of 19 lakh rupees. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. Capital Markets Regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, is considering a series of tweaks to its derivative trading rules as it seeks to address risks arising from explosive growth in options trading, Reuters reported, quoting sources with direct knowledge of the matter. The new rules could include higher margins for options contracts and more detailed disclosures, the report said. These new rules are being considered after a series of meetings with stock exchanges, brokers and fund houses over the past 4 months, it added. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Limited Company executive says expect 125% jump in Q1 on year-on-year basis. Also says tremendous tailwinds is there, see 50% growth for growth next to 2-3 years. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. Gallant Ispat Ltd belongs to the small cap category of stocks, with a market capitalization of 8,040 crores rupees. According to the company's exchange filing, Gallant Ispat Ltd was declared the successful preferred bidder for the Todupura Iron Ore block in Karoli district, Rajasthan, under the composite license for limestone blocks 2023-24. The bid, submitted on 2 May 2024, through the MSTCT e-auction portal, offered the highest final price of 175.05%. Geological data shows the investigated area spans 260.71 hectares, with a total iron ore deposit of 85.42 million tons. With this positive news, stock locked in 5% upper circuit. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Defence PSU stock comes as the company has announced that it has received a request for proposal, RFP, from the Defence Ministry for the procurement of 156 light combat helicopters worth 45,000 crore rupees. We would like to inform that request for proposal, RFP, has been issued by the Ministry of Defence for procurement of 156 light combat helicopter, 90 numbers, for IA and 66 numbers. for IAF, the company said in an exchange filing. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. Larsen & Toubro's buildings and factories construction vertical has secured multiple significant orders in India, said the company on 18 June. Engineering and construction giant L&T classifies orders valued at rupees 1,000 to 2,500 crore as significant. In a stock exchange filing, L&T said that it has received an order from the Asian Institute of Gastroenterology in Hyderabad to construct a super specialty hospital in Gachibowli. The project involves civil structures, finishes, facade, interiors, MEP services, paramedical work, and external development, including landscaping, covering a total built-up area of 1.1 million square feet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.